I have always noticed that so many designers get this blockage in their head and they cannot come up with certain ideas for a long time, like 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, even a month. And they say that I feel like I lost my creativity. And I know this is a big problem for designers because it's our job to come up with functional ideas all the time and be creative. And this is normal, actually. There's nothing to worry about. We all go through this from time to time. But to reduce this problem, there's mentally something to follow up through all your professional journey, which is in a big headline, it's benchmarking, which means you keep searching for existing ideas in the real world through internet, through Pinterest or any research engine websites, and you start like coming up with small subtitles of each idea, like what I like in this project, what I don't like, what can be added to this project. And this is like a whole workload research. And I find like people trained on a good research are really good creatives and really innovative people, because they know how to make their research and come up with constant ideas each day and each moment. So please keep benchmarking on existing projects or existing products in this world, and read, like, try to read articles. How are these projects executed and what are the strong points in this project? And try to get inspired, get your sketch, start sketching or drawing from each project, and try to come up with a unique project that came up to your mind. And please don't get discouraged and continue like this. Research is the main key for each designer to be able to come up with a functional project and a creative one. So please don't forget to be benchmarking each time you're working on a specific project.